This video will walk you through properly installing the dome glass for your Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. It's so easy, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, here are all the components that come in your kit. Next, completely wipe the screen with an alcohol pad. Make sure you get along all the edges. Now, dry it off with this cleaning cloth. Place your Note 10 in the bottom tray, making sure your speaker is at the top. Here is the adhesive tape to cover the top speaker. Make sure it covers only the speaker. The edge of the tape should align evenly with the top of the tray. Here are the dust removal stickers. You have one large one and two smaller strips. Use the larger one to remove any dust. Now, place the top tray over the phone. If the absorption pads are not already inserted, please insert them now. If the pin is not already inserted into the top, insert it now like so. Next, place the position bridge over the phone. Then, grab one of the tubes of Loca, twist the colored cap, and place it inside the round hole in the position bridge. Then, twist the black cap and allow all the liquid adhesive to pour onto the bottle. Once all the adhesive has been poured out, remove the bridge. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and place the glass in the tray. Start at the bottom and carefully lean it onto the pin. This is the new installation guide. One side has a rectangle on it, one side is completely smooth. Place the small suction cup on the smooth side above the circle, just opposite the two bottom grooves. Now, carefully place the guide into the grooves on the bottom and lean it against the glass. The next steps are very important. Carefully tilt the bottom tray by pressing down. Make sure that you remove the pin right when the adhesive reaches the bottom of the guide circle as shown. The glass will drop, allowing the adhesive to spread evenly. Wait at least 80 seconds for it to completely spread. Once it has completely spread, gently remove the installation guide. Next, we will cure the screen onto the device. Place the UV light at the bottom and cure for 15 seconds. Then, move it to the top and cure for another 15 seconds. Now, remove the top tray case and carefully remove your Note 10 from the bottom tray. And carefully remove the adhesive tape. Once removed, wipe it down again with a new alcohol pad along all the edges. For stage 2, we will finish the curing process by placing the UV light again at the bottom part for 1 minute and then at the top for another minute. Repeat this process and cure one more time, 1 minute at the bottom and then one final minute at the top. That's it, your dome glass is installed. Next, you will just need to set up your fingerprints. So first, please delete any existing fingerprints. We recommend you register the same fingerprint 2 different times at 2 different angles. Now you're done, go ahead, test it out. Enjoy a whole new touch and the flawless edge-to-edge protection only dome glass provides. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.